egg and cheese burrito. It is breakfast. I have my coffee, and we are just going to get into this burrito, have a little chit chat, and get on with our day. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. So, yeah. I actually haven't even had much sleep. My insomnia is kicking my butt. So let's say a prayer, get into this food, and hopefully it will put me to sleep. Okay. You guys are going to see a greasy mess. It's packed with cheese. Chorizo is, pretty oily. Look at that. Ooh, yummy, 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 yummy. Woo! This is a messy one. I'm going to have this everywhere. So I have my, oh my goodness. Make a big old mess. I have my sour cream, and I have my tapatio, hot sauce. You see all the goodness inside the burrito? You guys see that? Hopefully you can. Okay. Woo! My unicorn spoon. We have to have everything cute. Everything matters. Oh my gosh, this is literally dripping everywhere. I'm going to have a big old mess to clean up. Okay. Oh my God, you guys. You see inside of that? Ooh. This is a perfect quick breakfast to make. Or chilaquiles. Something like that. I have the worst toothache. It really, really hurts. Ooh. I've been babying it all night, so I've got to make an appointment with my dentist to see what the heck is going on. I feel like I poked myself with something. That's what it feels like. I'm normally not a breakfast eater, but I was just craving some chorizo. Man, I'm a mess today. I look like a wild child. So as I stuff my face, let me stop for a second and thank you all for returning to my channel, hanging out with me, spending a few minutes of your time with me. I appreciate that. If you're new here, please hit that red subscribe button, that red button, that button down there. Hit that subscribe button and that bell right next to it, and you will be notified when I upload a video. You can also hit that like button, that thumbs up. That is always nice. And leave a comment below. If you leave a comment below and you wait to the end of the video, I may just shout you out. Now this is greasy. Super greasy, but super good. So what are you guys doing today? What are your plans for the weekend? I want to go through my garage and see what's going on in there. I don't even know what's in there anymore. We've got so much stuff. I got lots of laundry to do. I'm just gonna have a good old time. A party in the laundry room, in the garage. Yeah, that's my kind of weekend. Then on Monday, I'll probably be at the dentist. Wow. Talking about a girl that has a good old time. This is my life, folks. Well, the best part of it, I get to spend it with you. How about that? I get to hang out with my mookies and I get to eat a good meal. A very greasy, messy, good meal. It hurts though, my tooth hurts. Hopefully I don't have fingerprints everywhere. And my favorite coffee cup. All I need is a little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. I think our whole community could use this cup right now. We're going to get it together though. We're all going to be okay and recover. Ooh, man, this is good. For those of you who use chorizo, who cook with it, do you guys use pork or beef chorizo? Leave a comment below. I'm just wondering which chorizo you use. I always buy the beef. Wow, you guys, I have stuff dripping on my chin. You didn't even tell me. You had me just sitting here looking crazy. Thanks a lot. I thought you mookies had my back. I'm in my PJs right now. And everything. I'm literally gonna go upstairs. And, well, actually, I'm gonna do the dishes. Clean up the mess I just made. Then I'm going upstairs, and hopefully this burrito will have done the trick and put my little butt to sleep, because I have not really slept. So yummy, yummy, so good. Like the channel, so good. She's like, so good. I love watching her. She is so funny. She's like, come on, baby. You know you want some, baby. You guys go check out her channel. It's literally called So Good. Is it called So Good or It's So Good? Try either or. So Good or It's So Good. She's fun to watch. She really is. Mm. I remember when I was younger, no responsibilities, just hanging out with my cousins or my friends. And Friday came along and you had plans to go out, hang out with your friends, go cruising, because we used to cruise. We all had fixed up cars and we used to cruise Hollywood Boulevard, Whittier Boulevard. We were out there. All those old cruising videos that you see on YouTube, I wouldn't doubt it if you saw me and my cousins in there somewhere. That's where we were every weekend. And now I will be sorting my laundry and yeah, looking for clothes to donate, trying to clear out my closet. I went from that good old time to having a mortgage and doing laundry and being a grandma, a very proud grandma of the most beautiful young man, baby boy on the planet. That one right there. He's much bigger now, but that one right there has my heart. Grandma loves him to death. It's so funny. When I had my son, I always felt like I loved my son so much. I was afraid to have any more kids. He's an only child. I was afraid to have any more kids because I was afraid that I wouldn't be able to love them as much as I loved my son. Like, because I loved my son just so much. You know, of course, when you have more kids, your heart expands, you figure that out. But when I was younger, that was my thinking. I was like, I can't have any more kids. How would I do this? I love him so much. How could I give some of that to somebody else? I was a weirdo, I guess. But when my grandson came, I love my son to death. I promise you that. But I looked at my son. I was like, move over, bacon. My grandson stole the show, took my heart, put it in his pocket, and carries it around with him everywhere he goes. Everywhere. I think of him every single day. It's funny because, you know, when some women become grandmothers, they're like, oh my God, I'm too young to be a grandma. I don't want to be a grandma. When I became a grandma, I was so happy, so overjoyed. It was the second best day of my entire life. My first best day was giving birth to my son. His son came along, and it was like neck and neck. Never did I feel like, oh my God, I don't want to be a grandma. I was so excited from the day they told me. I was a happy camper. I was proud, proud, proud. Still am. Ooh, I'm getting full. I am getting full. Let's do a post shout out, you guys. How about that? It would help if I turn my phone the right side up. Okay. So this post shout out goes to Amber Eats. Amber Eats has a channel, it looks like. Let me just make sure. I will put her name here, somewhere here, and you guys go check her out, okay? Yes, Amber Eats has a channel. So you guys go check her out. Tell her what the mukbang sent you. And yeah. So this is what I have left. I don't think I have any more room. What do you call it? The itis? I think that's what it's called, the itis. That's what my son said. I think I feel it coming on. Okay, before I go complete, I'm just all delirious. Let me close out this video by telling you all, thank you so very, very, very much for coming back and hanging out with me. I appreciate all my mookies. I love you guys so very much. You are awesome, covered in awesome sauce. And I will see you on the next one. Please remember to be good to one another.